Hi there, this is Mike MALAK. Thank you for joining me and watching this video. You gotta have faith. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tune your guitar to what is called open G. And then you will be able to play the guitar with one single finger, just like this. And you will be able to do that within just a few minutes. I'm going to show you how. You see, playing the guitar used to be a very tedious enterprise, you know, like learning all the difficult chords which really hurt on the fingers, and it's not much fun and you won't even be able to really play the guitar using the standard E tuning. Well, it will take a while. If you already tried playing the guitar or took a couple of courses somewhere, then you know what I'm talking about, right? So it hurts and it takes a long time to actually be able to play a song, right? Well, here's the good news. That's the option to tune your guitar differently than the open G tuning. The open E standard tuning is what your guitar will be tuned in when you pick it up at the store. You know, most people play in standard E because that's the way they've been taught, right? Well, there are different ways to tune your guitar, one of which is open G. Now, what does open G mean? Open G means when you strum the strings like this without putting your fingers on the fretboard, and you have a chord which is called the G major chord, and this type of tuning is called an open tuning, and because it's the G major chord, it's called open G tuning. The fantastic thing about this is, as I've mentioned, you can play it with one finger, right? In order to play different chords than open G, you can play a C major chord by just putting your finger right here, or a D major chord by putting your finger right here. All you have to do is learn the finger positions on the fretboard, put a finger across the strings, strum, and you'll be able to play within minutes, and I guarantee you that. Listen to this tiny little tune, which you all probably already know. It's called My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. And here we go in open G. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Hey, how cool is that? One finger, 5 minutes tops, and you'll be able to play along. But there's much more. Well, there are different strumming patterns, so you'll be able to play the same song in a different rhythm, like this. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. My Bonnie lies over the sea. My Bonnie lies over the ocean. Oh, bring back my Bonnie to me. Well, so there you go. And all this, you'll be able to play along instantly after I've shown you a few little techniques on the strings. It's really, really easy. one finger guitar playing. Hey, how cool can it be, right? But even if you're already an experienced guitar player and you're not a beginner who is looking for a fast way to play along songs, well, here's the good news for you guitar players. If you'd like to change up your playing, you know, you're playing the standard E chords, and somewhere guitar players or musicians, they get stuck, you know. You're playing the same thing over and over, and you wish that there'd be a way to change up the music, the playing, the style, and the way it sounds. Well, the open G tuning is perfect just for that, because hey, you might think, well, that looks too easy, you know, like what kind of guitar playing is that? You put a finger across. Well, some of the most famous guitar players on this planet, namely Mark Knopfler from the Dire Straits or Keith Richards from the Rolling Stones, they've created some of the most famous songs in rock history ever on open G, like this one. It's a honky-tonk woman. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Give me the honky-tonk blues. Hey, you know this song, right? It's Honky-Tonk Women, right? Keith Richards, and it's being played on open G tuning. That is the secret behind all these little riffs that are world famous and really, really cool. Well, guess what? At the end of this video course, you will be able to play this song. I will teach you all the little riffs. I will play you all the techniques and background information and the chords and everything you need to play this song, right? Hey. That's not all. At the very end of this video course, Open G Guitar, you and I will create and compose a very own original song. Yeah, can you imagine? Even if you're a beginner, you will be able to do that. You will be able to compose your own song, and I would teach you how. And it's really simple. It's much more simple than you might imagine right now, because maybe you've been learning the standard E tuning guitar with all the difficult chords, and then you think, hey, that's practically impossible. You know, like within 1 hour, I say it again, 1 hour from the beginning of the course, provided you practice a little bit what I'm showing you, you will be able to play along songs, you know. Okay, for the Honky-Tonk Woman, it will take a little more time, depending on how much you can practice every day, maybe a week, couple of weeks, but you will be able to play that. And after that, with all the techniques I've shown you, you and I will be able to compose a very own brand new song, you know. All you have to do now, actually, pick up your guitar, tune it to open G, and I will teach you how to do that within a couple of minutes, and then you will be able to play along instantly. This course comprises 5 hours of video teaching, and I will teach you all the techniques you need, including the honky-tonk tutorial, including step-by-step instruction on how to compose your own song. We'll do that together, but that's not all. You will receive tons of additional material, chord charts, lyrics with chord progressions, more chord charts for minor and major chords. Don't worry if you don't know what minor or major chords are. I will explain everything to you in this video course. And the charts for playing Honky Tonk Woman, and material for composing your very own song. Everything included. Plus you will get all the MP3 playback files so that you can plug in your iPod or whatever you're using, or a computer or your mobile phone or whatever. You can turn up the sound, listen to the tracks that I've provided, and you will be able to play along, and thus learning and practicing. And here's the best thing about all. Within minutes you'll be able to play along. You can listen to the tracks, you'll be able to follow and play along. You'll be learning different strumming patterns, from easy to a little bit more advanced, to rock and roll, to blues rock, and much more. I guarantee you'll be having lots of fun, you and I together, and I'm really looking forward to playing with you. Well, so all you have to do now, pick up your guitar, tune it, and then we're playing together, and it will be the joy of music. That's, to me personally, is the most important thing. All right, so let me tell you a few words about me. Who am I? Who is Mike Malak? Well, you most probably haven't heard of me, but that's no surprise. I'm not a big music star, and I am performing on stage for small events, parties, small concerts, but I've always been more of a studio musician. I've been playing music for over 50 years, and well, it's a lot longer than I'm really happy to admit, but that's the fact, right? So I do have lots of experience playing music, singing, creating songs, and for over 40 years now I've been composing songs and selling the songs to other people, to other bands, custom songs, custom cover songs I create for people that use it for as a gift or for events and such like, right? And I've all along, all these many years, I've been experimenting with tunings, a little bit on a lower scale, of course, like Mark Knopfler. He's using open G major, he's using open E minor tuning, and the standard E, of course. And he's always been experimenting. Or the Beatles, you know, like they've been experimenting with sounds that no one ever came up before, right? And I love that. I love, you know, like trying things out. And that's what I mean. Even if you're an experienced player, hey, try the open G and try to discover the things you can do with open G. You'll be really glad that you tried it, because it will change and broaden the flavors of your music, right? So as I've said, you most probably won't know my name, but if you look at the link right here on reverbnation.com, I've been the #1 in the country charts in Germany, in France, and in England. For a long time, I've always been among the first 5 positions on the country charts in these countries. It's my own damn song. that doesn't really mean a lot maybe, and I'm still not a star by a long shot, right? I'm just a regular guy. But that exactly is the point. If I can do it, you can do it. I have the advantage of knowing the techniques on open G, but it's so simple that anyone can do it. If you think you're unable to play music, you're unable to play the guitar because it's too complicated, it takes too much time to learn the guitar, I will show you that that is not true. You can play the guitar within 1 hour, provided you practice just a little bit along with me. You know, it's so super easy, it ain't funny. It's almost incredible, but here's the thing. All you have to do is this. If you can do this, you can play the open G guitar. If you can do this, you can play the guitar, right? And does this look complicated? No, of course not. And the only next step is you learn a few strumming patterns like right? I mean, this is easy. Anyone can do that, right? Okay. So there you are. I promise you, you will be able to play the guitar within a very, very short time. And even if you're an experienced guitar player, you will enjoy the many possibilities that you can add to your guitar playing that you're doing right now by using open G tuning plus a few techniques that are really simple. And if you already know how to play chords on the standard E, well, then the better it is for you to start playing open tuning, because I will teach you the chords you need on the open G too. And then you'll be able to multiply the techniques, the sounds, the flavors of your music. All right? So it doesn't matter if you're a total beginner or already a seasoned guitar player or not. In any case, you will benefit from this video course, and you will have a lot of fun along with me. I will teach you how to tune, how to play. I will give you the riffs for the Honky Tonk Woman, and we'll create a brand new song. All this in this one course. So I see you on the flip side. Thank you for watching this video. Don't hesitate if you have any question at all. Contact me at any time. I'll be looking forward to hearing from you, and we'll experience the joy of music together. Bye bye for now. This is Mike MALAK.